Ha kawai ke jingja ke bas musyrik kai. Kawai ke Briew ke bakat kendai Snem kerta kelas Shah Pyniap ha ke por mensengi ha wei Briew ya ubal ke do budan Jingiadei batka ha ke nisan banai ke belalej. Kani ke jingja kelaja ha ke arpun ru tarik unai luar ar hajar arpuar ha ke senong Pahamsyiem ke bahap apo ke tanat nongpo. Bat lalap ba kamat yap jong kani ke Briew ke dan ha ke surok senong hadian bakala Shah Pyniap ha unu Briew. Ha bakran ki nong thok kubor u superintendent ki pulet ke ribhoi giri prasad ule tho ba ya kan ke jingja la pentep da uwe ni ke nong lam shnong ka Pahamsyiem bat marja yo ke ke jingtep ki pulet ke nong po gilawan her mar ke ke than bat lap ba ke Briew klathya ha surok bat kla Shah Pyniap biru ha ke shnong Pahamsyiem ya unu Briew bela peniap ya ke Briew hadian bula dap nilek kena kam ula pet kerat no kena ke snong bat da kejing rap jong kinong lam snong bat da kejing trei kam step jong ki pulit layo man kem no ilu Briew uni uhe pulit ule tho ba ya kedau jong kanie ompat tip bat dang toket bat ya komokot ma la register bat kejing toket halo kena kejing ja kerang ya chaprang
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Nongpo police station received information from the headman of Pahamsyiem, Nongpo, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Nongpo police also managed to apprehend him in the Nongpo police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection. Thank you.